Is your audio sounding quiet and unprofessional? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix that in minutes using Audacity and make your voice sound crisp, loud, and ready for your next video. So let's go. Select your voice, select your channel. This is Audio 1 channel. Go to Effect here. And first we want to fix the volume. So go Volume and Compression and click here Normalize. This will put our audio signal so it won't be over 0 decibels. So make sure to select this Normalize peak amplitude to -1 and hit apply, and you will immediately see the difference. Now our signal is louder. So after that we need to compress this. Go to Effect, go again Volume and Compression and click Compressor. Over here we have some settings. If you don't know what this means, don't worry, we don't need to know this. Just go to Preset and Settings, go over here Factory Presets, and over here you have all the different types of presets that you can apply to your voice. I'm recording this for my tutorial, so I want this to be podcast and radio. So select it and just click Apply. And your signal now looks and sounds just fine. And there you have it. Now you know exactly how to compress your audio in Audacity to get the clean, professional sound. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. And for the next step in making your audio sound even better, check out this video right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.